Let's see. That's it. Here we go. That's it. Good to go. That's good. Ain't going nowhere. All right, here we go. This is the Uniden UM385 VHF radio. It's gives you weather and distress. That's mainly why I purchased it. I have my Garmin for plotting, but I mounted it on this side so that the traffic, people don't walk by and hit it or whatever. It's a pretty clean little radio. Gives you about 30 miles, but I mainly got the distress and the weather, because anybody knows the weather can change out there just faster than your ex-wife's attitude. So you get the antenna and you get the radio, everything about 300 bucks. Wired it in here behind this USB charger. Just use some spade connectors. Again, you can put this in about 20 minutes, if you're good at what you're doing. I will be doing a follow-up video on this, so if anybody has any comments or concerns, just feel free to reach out. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy this. So yeah, Uniden 385 VHF Maritime Radio. Thanks for watching.